Planned, actual, and earned values. The purpose of this project is to assist management and leadership staff in monitoring projects. By estimating the duration, management will be better equipped in how to deal with the corrective action. Time will be organized through the estimated values of completion and will provide support. This slide demonstrates a snapshot of the spreadsheet with columns 3 to 8 hidden. The tasks are found on the left while the actual cost of the project at its end is located on the right. Several calculations should be noted that will be explained. Notice the earned value for week 1 is $3,500. The SPI equals 0.5 for week 1, while the CPI equals 0.43 for week 1 and 0.7 for week 2. Note the actual cost of the project at its end at $143,210. To estimate the earned value, one simply multiplies the planned value with the rate of performance. The earned value for week 1 equals $3,500. The next step is to calculate the scheduled performance index by dividing the earned value by the planned. The total for week 1 equals 0.5. The next calculation was the estimated time of completion. To find this, one takes the current time of completion and divides it by the latest scheduled performance index, which is total to be 13 weeks. To find the actual cost of the project per week, one calculates the cost performance index. To find this, divide the earned value by the actual cost. For instance, the CPI for week 2 equals 0.7. To find the actual cost of the project at its end, one takes the budget at completion, or $100,000, and divides it by the CPI. This number was $143,210. The values for the intermediate weeks were determined by estimating them as constantly increasing each week. For example, for week 3, the planned value was added to the ending value minus the starting value divided by 8 because we want to reach $100,000 in 8 steps. The same procedure was done for the actual cost for subsequent weeks. The data was then inserted into a chart. The planned, actual, and earned values are displayed within this chart and have solid lines. As demonstrated, the actual cost exceeds the planned value of the project. This project provides support to management, especially when a conflict arises. If the actual value exceeds the projected value as demonstrated, management should take corrective action. This will assist in the planning and finalization of the project. As a whole, this project was not time-consuming. Different calculations were performed in a small duration of time, as well as the creation of a chart. These calculations were not as complex as previous analyses. This project will be useful in the real world to evaluate real lengths of projects in accordance with their estimated lengths of time.